All right, we good? Wow. Mom really let this place go, huh?
Yeah, I was with her last October when she stopped paying her yard guy.
Why'd you let her do that?
You know, this'll never sell. The Colorado housing market is straight butt right now, like straight butt.
We sure nobody wants to just move in? I mean, it's only like an hour from the casino.
Oh, the casino!
Leroy, aren't you like homeless right now or something?
Unhoused, and no, it's a wandering year.
Yeah, we're all wandering why our brother is such a bum.
Unhoused!
Unhouse me.
You know, hey, maybe Dad wants to live here.
So nobody wants a house just for free?
We fix it, we sell it, we split it. I don't really care what we get for it, but let's just get rid of this thing. It's a boondoggle.
We grew up here.
It won't take much. A coat of paint, some new fixtures. In a week or so, it'll be
A week? Ugh.
You have somewhere else to be?
I got a cat.
Got a cat.
If we're gonna be here for a week, I get the big bedroom.
No,
I snore too. Oh yeah, we all snore. Jesus Christ.
No, come on.
Fuck.
Holy shit!
Do exterminators kill bats?
If you pay him enough.
Hey, don't step on that, not a step.
Step on you.
Don't sit on the ground when you do that, you're gonna get shocked.
I'm chilled with a little electricity, though. Thanks.
It's bad electricity. This house is old, it'll bite you.
You bite.
These fucking idiots. Why did we put him on the... Winston! Watch out for the sprinklers!
What?
Winston!
What?
Watch out for the sprinklers!
Yeah, I'll take a beer. Hey.
You piece of shit. We've got a lot to do, man. Come on.
Get off my back. I've been working all day. Besides, my mom died. I deserve a beer. 2 beers.
Yeah, no shit, all our moms died. I mean, only one mom died. Our mom... Just go hold the ladder for Matt, okay?
Okay.
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 You haven't done shit, man.
Been working all day.
No way. You...
Why didn't you mention the sprinkler?
Wow.
Okay. Were you sitting down?
No.
Okay, fucking idiot. Whoa! Matt, stop! Holy shit! God, you all right?
Yeah. My back broke my fall. I'm fine.
What? I was holding the ladder like you asked me to. Don't be like Dad.
Say that again.
Oh, don't be like Dad.
Motherfucker.
What are you doing? Beer 30? Come on, beer 30.
Beer 30.
Let's bring it in for Mom. Come on, one for Mom. For Mom.
You were dead asleep and your hand was holding the burger in the air. It's like when the T-1000 got frozen.
It's the perfect breakfast.
You can't even name one. Y'all remember when I got so blackout drunk in there?
No, please don't. Please don't. Please don't. I can't.
I'm serious. You had a crush on Auntie Pat when we were young.
We all had a crush on Auntie.
She doesn't get it for me this time.
What song is that?
Right.
For me, it's all about the beach life now. Beach life? Yeah.
I'm like a really good
Oh,
swimmer.
you're so buoyant.
You gotta tell people
we
that.
got buoyant jeans.
Because people don't think I can swim.
I don't think you could sing.
together. I never get. Everyone hates this except for you guys. You guys love this bit.
No.
Ready?
Stop.
We're at Big Nichols Arena.
Dad brought that fucking thermos, 17 whiskey sours, right to a fucking hockey game.
You can't drive home.
Well, no, he can't stay at
Yeah,
home.
when stadium security tells you can't drive home, you can't drive home.
And so Mitch is driving.
That's right, Mitch had to drive.
I was 14 years old. You remember that part of the story?
And he goes and he wraps it around the fucking Chrysler around the light pole. In the middle of the middle of the light pole.
Such a good car.
I broke my fucking collarbone.
And then he couldn't play baseball that season.
You loved baseball. That was like your whole life.
He loved it. And now he can play it. And then he gained like 50 pounds that year.
We get in that car accident. Dad, boom, awake all of a sudden, loosens like cops coming. Pops out and sprints like fucking Usain Bolt. He's gone.
It was fast.
He's like fucking
And then
gone.
when he got home, the cops brought us home. Dad chewed your ass out for stealing the car.
Yeah, it was awesome.
I'm sorry. Mwah. There you go. All right, I gotta get that. Hold on, I'm gonna go get that.
Sir, we've gotten complaints about.
Mitch, it's for you.
Fuck, Matt. Sorry. Oh. Hi. Are you Maggie's sister? Laura? Damn.
Hi, Mitch.
Hey.
It's been a while.
Yeah. How's Maggie?
Maggie's fine. You know this jabroni? He dated my sister in high school. I used to have a huge crush on him.
What?
Like back then, I also had a crush on Shrek.
That tracks.
Okay, well, my feelings are hurt. Welcome to the, abode.
Abode. Listen, we gotten complaints about a house party and some neighbors are complaining.
A real hoopla?
Huh. Just me and my brothers.
No. We were told this was a house party with dozens of people. Causing a ruckus? Hooting and hollering. A real hoopla.
Just me and my brothers are trying to fix up my ma's place.
Our dearly departed Ma.
Oh, yeah, Mom's dead.
Mama Montgomery is dead?
Yeah. Mom's dead.
Oh, no shit. Your mom is dead.
Mom's fucking dead.
My mom's fucking dead.
It's fucked up.
Just get some sleep, okay?
I'm about to pepper spray everyone in 2 seconds.
Okay. It was, good seeing you again. Tell Maggie, Shrek says hello. What the hell? Oh, shit!
Come on out.
Guys, get up. Dad's here.
Where are you, cranberries? You cowards! Oh, look who's here, the boys. They're back in town to collect their big prize.
What are you yelling about?
That house! I built that house with these 2 hands.
You bought this house when you scammed the postal service by burning your leg on a mail truck tailpipe.
I piss on the post office.
Just get out of here. You don't belong here, Dad.
Oh, why? Is Jane gonna be mad at me? Jane's dead.
Dad, come inside. We don't want the cops back here, okay?
Maybe I'll call the cops, huh? Maybe they'll shoot us all. Bam, 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 bam.
Dad, please. All right, we're all hurting. And I think I speak on behalf of everyone when I say we missed you.
No, what the fuck, Leroy?
What are you talking
Come on, you're not men. I killed a man in Korea.
Yeah, that was in 1996. That's why you don't have a passport.
Yeah, well, I'll run you over too. Let's go. You're not men, you're frogs. You're strong, Leroy.
Punching rock.
You strong, boy.
No, do not. Dad, do not. Don't do it. Don't. Hey, what I tell you, don't, listen, don't make me whoop your ass, okay? That son of a bitch, I'm gonna get him! I'm gonna get him, I swear to God! I swear to God!
Hey, he's down. He's down, all right? Zen. It's all about the beach lifestyle, baby. Come on.
Here we go! What the fuck?
I promised I'd never do that again.
Oh, Dad. This can't feel good for you, Dad.
The oldest.
Cool your jets.
Come on. Yeah, that's right. You want to take your old man out? Come on.
Get him, Mitch.
Come on.
I love you. I forgive you. I love you. I forgive you. I love you. I forgive you. I love you, Dad. I forgive you. I love you. I forgive you.
Never trust a scorpion.
Fuck you! Ah! Well, this sucks.